Hello everybody, this is Claire's unboxing video. I have undone the sticky stuff just because it makes it a little bit easier, and it's literally, this is my demonstrator kit, and I'm going to apologise for the fact I've got one dodgy nail at the moment because I bust one and I've had to file down my gel. So here we go. Not quite sure which way the best way of doing this is, just taking stuff out, put it on the table at the side of me. I think all this is my kit. This is everything that I got free. Not free, I get 2 free stamp sets. It all came to £99 for the kit, for me to be able to demonstrate and show people everything that's fantastic about Stampin' Up. So here goes. One free kit called Balloon Celebration that I thought was really cute, and I think that I should be able to use these for flower petals as well. Loving that. Next free kit was this one, number of years. Loving that. That's going to be great for doing cards and stuff. Then we've got Stampin' Right pens, Stampin' Right markers even, a set of 5 in those colours. Don't ask me what they are because I've not got my glasses on. Then we get, what else have we got in here? Let's have a look. I've got, that's part of a bundle, I'll show you that separate. It's all kit. Catalogues. Stampin' Success, that's my magazine. So I'll be reading that in a little while. Invitation postcards. Oh, that's part of that one. Be part of something amazing. Looks like that is my handbook. Celebration brochures. Can't wait to open all these properly. Order forms. Then I have a set of stamps in the colours, exactly the same colours as the pens. Powder Pink, Tranquil Tide, Lemon Lime Twist, which I think is one of Michelle's favourites, Berry Burst, and Fresh Fig. That's the same colours as the pens, by the way. I've said that already, haven't I? Memento, Tuxedo Black, stamp, ink pad. I've got this one because I do have some alcohol pens as well, and this is good for alcohol pen outlines when you're wanting to colour in. Then we have, oh, they weren't the catalogues earlier on. They were the spring summer ones. This is the annual catalogue, I believe. Annual catalogue. This is the main catalogue. The others were the spring summer catalogue. The extras. Then we've got cardstock. All this, by the way, don't forget, £99. Cardstock in the same colours. I don't think you can you see the edge? There. So that's the same colours as the pens and the ink pads. I wanted to get sort of a matching set. And then we've got a bundle. And a bundle can be bought in the catalogue, where you get a stamp set. So I've got this one where it's got all the nice wordy bits, so there's sort of like friends, birthdays, congratulations, weddings, then lots of flower ones, so you can actually make up flower bouquets. And this nice little packet just here is actually the dies, so that it cuts out the shape for you rather than you having to faff about with a pair of scissors. Not that I mind scissors because I've been doing scissors for years, but this makes it a little bit easier. And then I also bought the tag punch, which I think is really cute. Scalloped, can you see that? Scalloped tag topper punch, And I'm really sorry if I have gone out of shot on a few of these, holding them up too close. And some embossing paste, because I wanted to try doing some stenciling with embossing paste, and this is in a shimmery white. And that is everything. I will be opening all of this properly so that I can have a proper look. So there'll be catalogues coming out and brochures coming out and all that sort of thing. But this is the start to my new journey, and I'm hoping to make this a very successful business, and I hope to see you all soon. While I put all this lot away again, I'm going to switch you off. So bye for now.